Are you tired of spending money on engine repairs? What if I told you that one simple change could dramatically extend your engine's life and potentially save you thousands of dollars? Today, we're diving deep into the world of fully synthetic oil, the secret weapon that could revolutionize how you take care of your vehicle. Section 1. What makes synthetic oil different? Let's start with the basics. Unlike conventional motor oil that comes straight from crude oil, fully synthetic oil is a scientific marvel created in a laboratory. Imagine skilled engineers literally rebuilding petroleum molecules to create the perfect lubricant. These lab-created oils have some incredible characteristics. Molecules are uniform in size and shape, dramatically fewer impurities, incredible stability across temperature ranges, enhanced protective properties for your engine. Think of it like comparing a custom-built sports car to a standard sedan. Both will get you from point A to point B, but one does it with remarkable precision and performance. Section 2. Advantages of fully synthetic oil. Now, let's break down why synthetic oil is a game changer. 1. Superior engine protection. Synthetic oil creates an almost magical protective shield between your engine's moving parts. It maintains its viscosity in extreme temperatures, reduces wear during cold starts, and provides unprecedented metal-on-metal protection. 2. Extended oil change intervals. Get ready to save time and money. Most synthetic oils last between 7,500 to 15,000 miles between changes. Some premium brands even claim up to 25,000 miles. Imagine cutting your maintenance visits in half. 3. Performance in extreme conditions. Whether you're driving in the freezing cold of Alaska or the scorching heat of Arizona, synthetic oil keeps performing. It flows better in cold weather, ensuring quick starts, and resists breakdown under high temperatures. 4. Engine cleanliness. These oils are like a detox for your engine. Superior detergents keep components cleaner, reduce sludge formation, and help prevent carbon buildup. It's like giving your engine a deep clean with every oil change. Section 3. The potential drawbacks. Now, let's be real. Synthetic oil isn't perfect. The most significant drawback: cost. Fully synthetic oil can be 2 to 4 times more expensive than conventional oil. Premium brands might cost even more, and you'll likely need specialized oil filters. However, consider this an investment in your vehicle's longevity. There's also a myth about older vehicles. While synthetic oil might not be ideal for engines built before 1990, most modern vehicles will benefit tremendously. Section 4. When to choose synthetic oil. Synthetic oil is a must for high-performance vehicles, turbocharged engines, sports cars, luxury vehicles, vehicles operating in extreme conditions. If you're doing frequent short trips, driving in stop-and-go traffic, experiencing extreme temperatures, or regularly towing heavy loads, synthetic oil is your best friend. Want to take the best care of your engine? I've got some top synthetic oil brand recommendations and essential maintenance products linked in the description. And hey, if you found this information helpful, smash that like button. Drop a comment telling me about your vehicle and your current oil change routine. The bottom line: fully synthetic oil isn't just an upgrade. It's a game-changing investment in your vehicle's health and your wallet's future. Make the smart choice, and your engine will thank you for years to come. If you learned something today, hit subscribe, like, and share this video with every car owner you know. Let's spread the knowledge and help everyone protect their engines. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next automotive deep dive, including our popular video about turbo leaking oil into intercooler that you can check out here.